Please, if you make your plantain this way, nothing will happen to you. Are you not tired of using one method all the time? It's boring, Joe. Try something new, guys. Your kids and everyone will love it. So if you want to know how I made this delicious goodness right here, watch till the end. I'll be making use of 2 ripe plantains. You want to go ahead, wash properly, and then peel off the skin. Then cut into long strips like so. Try as much as you can to cut it slim. Do not make it come out too fat. Do not cut it too fat. Please, guys, as you're watching this video right now, just give it a like, give it a thumbs up. And also, if this is the first time coming across my video, my name is Dima and you're welcome to Dima's Kitchen. Please do also follow the page for more mouth-watering recipes. Once you're done cutting, in your frying pan, add oil, then fry the plantain till it comes out golden brown, just the normal way you fry plantain. And once you're done frying the plantain, keep aside. We're making use of some bell peppers, green bell pepper, yellow, and also red. You don't need too much of it. I'm also gonna be using some onions and also 1 large tomatoes. Now in a bowl, go ahead and break in 4 raw eggs. Yes, guys, you can break this in separate bowls so you don't end up getting a spoiled egg. Now transfer the vegetables, everything into the egg. Add in your spices to your taste, but I added grounded pepper, salt, and also black pepper as well. Mix this properly and then keep aside. I'll be making use of some mozzarella cheese. I went ahead to grate it this way, and this is the fried plantain. Now for the cheese, if you don't have cheese, you can do without it. It will still come out very nice. Now I'll be making use of a cupcake mold. You go ahead and line the plantain into your cupcake mold just like so. Put it round and then add in your mixed egg and veggies into it. Then add the mozzarella cheese. You top it up with the veggies and egg as well, and you are good, guys. Repeat same steps with the remaining plantain, and then once you are done, transfer this into the oven and cook or bake for just 20 minutes. Okay, beautiful people, if you've watched up to this time, help me type yummy in the comment section. And if you haven't shared this video yet, please go ahead and share the video. Let it get to more people out there. I'm grateful. Now this is what it looks like. It came out so delicious, guys. My kids and everyone that ate from it enjoyed it so well. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to share, like the video, and also say something in the comment section. I'll be glad to read your comments. Thank you all for watching, and see you all in my next video. Don't forget, I love you all so much, and remain blessed. Bye bye.